Your When to Work schedule can be exported to Google Calendar, and from there to any outside digital calendar service you use. In your manager login, go to Setting, Company, My Info. Scroll down and click the Google Calendar icon. Now, the first thing to do is to make sure that you're currently signed into your Google account. Sign into Google and then come back to your When to Work window. You can choose to export shifts for all positions in your account. That means that the entire account schedule will be sent to Google Calendar every time you publish or edit a published shift. You can select what you'd like to include in that report and then click Create Calendar. You'll need to give permission for When to Work to send those shifts to your Google account. Click Allow, and now your schedule is linked to that Google Calendar. Now, you could also come back and export another calendar with just certain positions. Cashier is a whole group of positions, or you could do each position one at a time. Click Create Calendar, and now just that position is exported to a separate calendar. Then, in Google Calendar, you'll see all of the shifts on your published weeks. Any weeks that are still unpublished will remain blank. You'll see W2W Complete Schedule listed. This is the complete schedule for your entire account. Click on any date to see a full list. Now, we could also set up an export for just the Floor Watcher schedule. So if you prefer, instead of looking at the complete schedule, you could look at just the Floor Watchers. If you were to export each position individually, you could isolate them one at a time. Or you could see all of the shifts in your account, color-coded for the different positions. Your employees can also export their own schedules to Google. If they go to Change My Information, they can scroll down to find a Google Calendar icon. Making sure that they're signed into Google, they'll click on the link, select the information that they want to show on the export, and click Export. They will allow access, and the account is linked. On the employee export, they'll only see their own shifts on their Google Calendar. It won't include the entire organization. If for any reason you need anyone to have access to a Google Calendar for your organization, you can just share it with them from Google. They'll see that When to Work schedule on their own Google Calendar. If they like, they can even click on a shift, click Edit, and add a notification. If they need a reminder, say 10 minutes before every shift, they can always set that up. And one final note on all Google Calendar exports. Any edits you make in Google will show up on your Google Calendar, but they will not be sent back to When to Work. Information flows from When to Work to Google, but not back.